Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nubia Neo 2 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the battery option. Let's tap on it. Then let's enter more settings. And here we've got the battery percentage, so let's tap. And as you can see, we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. So we can hide the battery percentage, we can display it inside the battery icon. So the option I've had set display outside the battery icon, so next to it, or don't display battery icon at all. It's totally up to you which option is more comfortable for you. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.